Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SSI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. In this situation, very monster move today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs going to be on this one next week. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above $1.25. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $1.25, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there I'm defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.25 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? For this, going to have to squeeze down the chart here a little bit, so this is a good problem to have, although we may have to go to another time frame, because this may just get way too hard to see. Yeah, so let's go to the traditional daily time frame, and that way we'll be able to see all this stuff better, I think. Wow, even on this, we got to squeeze it down. All right, there we go. So, and these were lines from a long time ago. All right, so where is the next potential area? This really just goes to show how monster of a move it was today. But yeah, the current level to keep an eye on going forward, or the next level, is going to be right up there at the $1.50 mark. And then if the price can push up through $1.50, next key level of resistance after that, right up there at $1.62. So $1.50, $1.62, next couple of key battlegrounds going forward. All in all, though, anyway, look at it, monster movement today, and let's see if the bulls and the price can build upon this momentum or not next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.